Alright, morning people. Today is wedding day. Well, not my wedding, but I shoot a wedding today. So just watching and tuning into the vlog, We out! Alright people, we just done set up all the camera and everything. So we just gonna take a look at rest now. My body there, next hour or so the wedding's supposed to start. So my camera, next camera over there, so my body there. So just there I go and build. Kinda tired cause from yesterday when I get no sleep, you see me? So we do this part of the work. We sleep or go. Oh. Alright people, still at the wedding. I enjoy. So the photographer now do him shots them him. So while we there just go on enjoy, sip some champagne and drink some wine and beer, all sort of stuff till we're ready back for the reception. You see me, I know the thing already as a wedding cinematographer. Right now, still band of them a play behind me. And say team over there, so yeah, we just there go and do it, you see me? So just stay tuned, hear some more. People, so that was a time lapse of me editing that video. Too long done. Now I'm just gonna take a shower, get some food, and now the video transfer to the client. Maybe you can't see the screen. Hang on. Alright, see that? To transfer to the client right now. So I'm gonna send off this and see if them have no corrections to make. Finish up that in the day and head out. So link in the back. just reached Mandeville, so the bus there will just come out. So we're there in Nashville hostel right now. I wait on them or if just shoot out and do the photo shoot. So you don't know. Mandeville with it. I'll do it. People finally reach the Lovers Leap St. Elizabeth Junction. Yes, I'm gonna do the photo shoot, you see me? So just there, pretty place. I'm going on one view, go and look. So there scout, which we're gonna do the shoot. On the side going on view. Not much to see still, but soon you can see. Check out that view. Oh, I forgot about one picture. Hold up. Man, get a picture. Now I'm out again. You see me? We just there go on the things. You don't know the life of Prince Gentles go. Young director, photographer. You just there go on do the things them the right way and make sure everything the good. Big up Team Lifeline. Big up everybody. You don't know Leon. But do I make my dream a reality? So just go and do it now and I put in the work. So I could do this. And you can see the view behind me. I'm go back up nice and so you can see me. Yeah, so this is one of the locations we might do a few shots. Not sure yet, but take a look. Yeah, we might do a few shots here, we're not sure yet, but we just go and scout around. So Leon running so with the flash and thing in a bag. But yeah, we're gonna do it. We just done do the first set of images. I never know, say I could have tired already, but I don't know the thing the work is doing. So right now I just dump off on my Mac and just do some pre-editing from now. Cause what I do I look a costume change, so you know the thing that's how the life go. Prince Gentle's life. So just pre-do maths and continue watching. Alright people, time for leave out here now. Leon finally reached. So right now downtown now I reach for get that lens there. After collecting that lens, the sun look bright and look hot. Yes, so I go downtown now go pick up my lens, then I go pay some cash and then I run on. So catching on reach back in because I go finish edit my vlog today. Well, that was it for my street photography. Wait till we get to start. Yo, the rain. January and bad timing, but watching the people. Go sort out some of my bills and I say me got deal with. The lens never ready yet, so come for it the next day. And if for those who want to know, it's a Tamron 2040 72.8 lens. It's for the Canon. So it still have a, what can I say that? It has a, what kind of issue did it have again? It have a stabilizing issue, so the stabilizer just jump. So when you have the camera in the video, you just have this annoying jump in the video clips them. I'm there I try to keep my phone underneath the umbrella, that's why I'm looking so close. I do not want it to get wet. But there I almost reach home. Try not to get wet as well. And the umbrella is a very small umbrella, you can see. But I make it work. So but there I head home now. It's reaching, get back to you now. Alright people. The editing never too turned out as planned. And I did tired, so I ended up dropping asleep. But look who broke in a mouse and I watch TV. Who broke in a house? Yeah man. The man cut off my lock. Oh god man. And kick off my door. I just a while ago done finish fix it up, but no one broke in a mouse just watch TV. Just me actually one. Left the place so but everything good, so there I go and kick back. I nearly 2 months now I see book my hide from me. Oh nah while nobody. So you know your friends them and them loyalty, you see me? But I say I just go and kick back, show you some new stuff while I go on. Good morning. Yes, morning YouTube. They put myself together for get ready to go up on the road. Meet up with Leon them again today. Stay pack up my bag for go away. Might link up with Travis them today again for go send off 2 video. I'm not sure what depends on the time when him left him photo shoot today and what time he reach. Back in a half a tree car, man. I go all over Kingston today. So just join with me. I try vlog as much as it as possible cause watch 11 or 2 high, but me try vlog as much as possible and make sure so enjoy the whole process. So follow me now. In a 3 mile away upon Leon right now. Now answering phone, so only God knows where I'm there. 12 o'clock sun. Hot. Right now I itch up on the ATM machine. I beg for look a shade. I wait for him, so that's how long I'm gonna take for reach. You see me? I'm just there going to wait for him right now in a 3 mile. So let's see what going on. Alright people, reach half a tree now. After I call Leon take around 5 minutes after I call him for reach. I run going a taxi and then you don't know Babylon system. Run up on the car! So the man take off, even the girl in the car that for run out. It's rough. And Leon there, you see me sir? So we're there, I head out now for go. What I go first? I go Victoria Mutual. We get some money. Then I go up at Travis, go do some editing. So just watch me as we go through the whole entire day. Thank God for them clothes, I'm not for experience, son. But it's a good looking move. Watch and see what I go on. Alright, we're there. Long awaited walk. And as we reach the sun, decide to shoot dirty colors. Luckily we're heading right now. You get what I say? But let's see what happens. Alright people, we're there in the uptown part of Kingston, you know, we call New Kingston. The residential part of New Kingston. Right now, we're there head to Travis. The reason why I have to walk because there's no straight taxi to go to this man's workplace. So I have to take a taxi and come off to New Kingston and walk the rest of the journey, which is around approximately 10 minutes, 15. Depending on how fast me decide to walk, because I'm not a fast walker. And Leon got a million miles ahead of me. But we're there to do the journey and we're going to make it work. Alright people, we reach a Travis office. I'm dying for the AC, but you can know my friend them get rich, you know. Check out the man new office. I step up in a line, I don't know if a lot of them are lucky five, but I one of them. And the man all have a green room when I go make use of one of them there. Show them what I want with the green room. I'm not sure them know what I mean. Alright people. Dark, but alright. Then in the green room, you know, so there. See everything here. So right now, like I shoot a lot of green screen videos in here, so I make a lot of use side. So we're there, over there now. 8 Lady Musgrave Road, something like that, but we just there go and check out the new office because I'm going to rent an office near right here. So when you need business, you also know where to find me. Oh, I can't put the light here. So yeah, Travis will give my office space down here so now I also know where to find me. So after this, which one will be after this? Yeah. No, I get food. I don't know about you, but me I get food. Cause me a starve, this brother I'm up on the road all day. Me, until you say you make him go, they can get local food. But there with Travis I'm gonna start get some images and stuff in website. So when I'm done sending it off, I will cut like him because he's a very busy man. I'm a rich friend in this, very busy, so we link to it later. behind me. Drop, flash. Yeah. Reflector. So yeah man, Travis over here so laying over this in the corner. So we're there. I can shoot how much people? Alright, so I do around 10 people, 20 people, I'm not really sure, but we're gonna do some portrait shots and that's it for the day. Then after I get some food. So I have to go do that first. Then we get some food. But me a starve. But we not have no choice. Alright, so packing up time now. We're almost done. Come to the dancer again. Let me see now. I say, Carl? Are you dance, Carl? Yeah. And I thought I could have danced. This man beat me, but whether you pack up, because a full time, because Travis have me a start from there, but a full time now, so soon we get back to me. Alright, people. Around 7, 8 o'clock, you know, just reach back in the office. Ready for the rest of the night, go straight back in till 2 o'clock. So, right now, I'm going to end the vlog right to some people. So, soon next week, you see me? Prince out.